Hello and welcome to Astronomy 201 Stars and Galaxies. My name is Muna Noor and today I'll be reporting to you on the Vera Rubin Observatory, the first telescope observatory to be named after a woman. I'll be reporting to you on who Vera Rubin is, what the Vera Rubin Telescope Observatory is, the significance of the observatory, what this means for the wider astronomy community, and why you should care. Vera Rubin is widely known in the astronomy community. Rubin has made several contributions advancing what we understand about space during her time. Rubin has been interested in astronomy ever since she was a young girl. Rubin attended Vassar College for her undergraduate studies, and soon Cornell University after being denied from the master's program at Princeton University as women were not welcomed into the program. This was followed by a career of teaching and research. Rubin has made significant contributions to physics and astronomy, as her work demonstrated that within the gravitational grip of dark matter, galaxies and stars are immersed. Rubin has dealt with plenty of gender discrimination throughout her career. Despite the obstacles she faced, it has not gotten in the way of her passion for astronomy. That brings us to where we are today. The Vera Rubin Observatory is the first telescope observatory that is named after a woman. The Legacy Survey of Space and Time's mission statement for the Vera Rubin Observatory is to build a well-understood system that will produce an unprecedented astronomical data set for studies of the deep and dynamic universe, make the data widely accessible to a diverse community of scientists, and engage the public to explore the universe with us. The project will take place over a 10-year period. This will give us a better understanding of the universe. The scale of the project will take a look at probing dark energy and dark matter, taking an inventory of the solar system, exploring the transient optical sky, and mapping the Milky Way. The telescope observatory will be 8.4 meters and the scope of the survey is of the southern hemisphere sky in 2023. This is exciting as it will provide insight on the discovery of low surface brightness surrounding galaxies, providing us with a statistical measurement. As the project is currently under construction, the launch date will be near the end of 2022. There are a few aspects of the project that are still undefined in terms of survey strategy and target fields. However, the great news is that input from the scientific community is welcomed and will be noted. This project is for all of us to get a better understanding of the universe, so it is in accordance that knowledgeable folks can provide guidance. For instance, Tanya Prajevska from the Center for Astrophysics and Cosmology at the University of Nova Gorica has published an article on strongly lensed supernovae and well-studied galaxy clusters, where they explored the feasibility of the Vera Rubin Observatory looking at strongly lensed galaxy clusters. A strong lensing by galaxy clusters can be used to significantly expand the survey reach, thus allowing observation of magnified high redshift supernovae that otherwise would remain undetected. Strong lensing can also provide multiple images of galaxies that lie behind the clusters. Overall, the Vera Rubin Observatory is an exciting project that we can all learn from. It will provide insight that will be accessible for not only the scientific community, but the general public. This project honors Vera Rubin. It is important that we recognize the significance of this telescope observatory to be named after Vera Rubin. Women have not always been welcomed in the astronomy community, as that was a reflection of society in terms of patriarchy and gender discrimination. Rubin being the first woman to have an observatory named after her says a lot about the work in gender equality that needs to be done in the community. This also means that we can celebrate the successes proudly of women in astronomy and continue to hold space for conversations such as the Vera Rubin Observatory and why this is important. I hope this inspires women in astronomy and beyond to stick to their passions and never let their gender limit them. Thank you for listening to my segment on the Vera Rubin Observatory. My name is Muna Noor and you're watching Astronomy 201 Stars and Galaxies.